biggest epidemic going on all over the world, spreading. I don't know how many of you know. Blue whales, biggest epidemic going on. No other epidemic, dengue, H1N1, took so many lives. Psychological epidemic. Disease is spreading all over the world. Youngsters are committing suicide left and right in that Blue Whales games. What do you think is the reason? Taking life for granted. First thing I want to tell, ban blue whales. That's the only way you are going to save youngsters for future. Of course, in all our Sangha, in all our organizations, ban blue whales games. It is a games in the internet where adventurous things are supposed to be done by you. Finally, it ends in your suicide. Youngsters, kids are very systematically taught life negative concepts with the game. So one by one, they complete that game and they get the kick. The game kick is exceeding even the respect for life. Then you are taught the suicidal techniques, like jumping from the 70th floor or drinking poison, all kinds of suicidal techniques, and it is spreading like epidemic. Disease and no other epidemic disease like H1N1 or dengue or bird flu killed so many people in such short time. And this unusual self-harming horror techniques the controlling and manipulating people who are controlling the manipulators of the game finally make the players believe the whole life is waste and make them take it for granted and doing horrible things like a self-harming and suicide as very exciting, and tasks like cutting oneself, taking other risks for contemplating on death, and two scary things. But why do you think all these are spreading? Even if the blue whales is subdued, the game is not going to end. Like this, somebody is going to come up with some other whales. As long as taking life for granted is not addressed, not attended, these kind of games are going to come up. These kind of games are going to be invented and they are going to spread unless we address the root issue. Taking life for granted means making life into death. without even opening the paycheck, dropping it in the dustbin, thinking that it's a waste old newspaper. Understand? Taking life for granted is equivalent to dropping your paycheck in the dustbin, thinking it's a waste old newspaper, or the mail from a person from whom you don't want to see anything or read, or used toilet tissue. If you think your paycheck is used toilet tissue and drop it in the dustbin, that is exactly you are doing when you take life for granted, when you don't involve with it, when you don't live it, when you don't involve with it. I tell you, life in any form is prasad of Sadashiva. Taking it for granted is using your paycheck, actually dropping your paycheck in dustbin, thinking it's a used toilet tissue.